Welcome to the Genius ERP University Management System. Visit www.geniuseduerp.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today we will see the Asset and Inventory Management module in detail. With the help of our module, you can efficiently manage university assets and inventory, track usage, maintenance, and depreciation, and streamline purchase requests and approvals. Stay organized and save time. Now come to the Store Masters section. Here under the Store Masters, you can manage store categories and store types. Under the Store Categories section, here, you get a list of all the store categories. To add a new category, click on the Add Store Category button. Enter the category name here. Let us write Grocery Store here. Then enter the store category code. Let us write 008. Now click on the Submit button and the store category will be added. Under the Store Type section, here, you get a list of various types of stores. To add a new type, click on the Add Store Type button. Enter the store type here. Let us write Greengrocer here. Then enter the store type code here. Let us write 08 here. Now click on the Submit button and the store type will be added. Now come to the Store List section. Here, you get a list of all the stores. To add a new store, click on the Add Store button. Select Store Type. Select Store Category. Enter the store name here. Let us write Health Food Store here. Enter the store code here. Let us write 108. Enter invoice prefix. For example, write HFS. Now click on the Submit button and the store will be added to the list. Now come to the Item Category section. Here you get a category-wise items list. To add a new item category, click on the Add Item Category button. Enter the category name here. Let us write a protein and dairy here. Then enter the item code here. Let us write 08 here. Now click on the Submit button and the item category will be added. Now come to the Store Item section. Under the Store Item section, you get a store-wise item list. To add a new item to a store, click on the Add Store Item button. Select the store here. Enter the store item name here. Let us write eggs and dairy products here. Now enter the store item code here, for example, write 09. Enter the quantity here. For example, write 10. Enter the price per piece here. Let us write 90 here. Enter the tax percentage for the item here. For example, write 0 here. Enter batch number if required. Select this checkbox if the item is sellable. Select the item category from the list. Then click on the Submit button and the item will be added. Now come to the Supplier Type section. Here you get the list of different types of suppliers. To add a new type, click on the Add Supplier Type button. Add the supplier type name here. For example, write wholesaler here. Enter supplier code as 002. After making the entries, click on the Submit button and the supplier type will be added. Now come to the Suppliers section. Here you get the suppliers list. To add a new supplier, click on the Add Supplier button. Select the supplier type here. Enter the supplier name here. Let us write Shopify here. Enter the contact number of the supplier to contact him or her for the deals. Enter the address of the shop or supplier here. Enter the TIN here. For example, write 906. Enter the region here. Enter the help desk details here if required for future help. Now click on the Submit button and the supplier will be added. Now come to the Purchase Orders section. Here under this section, you get a list of all the purchase orders. To add a new purchase order, click on the Add Purchase Order button. The purchase order number will be automatically generated. Select the store here. Select the supplier type here. Select the supplier from the list. Select the purchase order date. Add reference if required. Here, select the store item, the unit price, quantity, discount, tax, and subtotal automatically added. To order multiple items, click on the Add Item button. Similarly, select the item to be added, and the total will be displayed here. Now click on the Submit button and the purchase order will be submitted. Now come to the Request Orders section. Here you get a list of requests for orders made by faculties. To request a new order, click on the Add Request Order button. Request order no automatically add. Select the store here. Select the request order date here. Select the lecturer from the list. Select the stream. Select the item name. Enter the quantity for that item here. To request multiple items to order, click on the Add Item button and enter them accordingly, as done above. Now click on the Submit button and the order request will be submitted. Under the Billing section, you get a list of all the invoices generated. To generate an invoice, click on the Billing button. Select the store here. Select whether the bill is for a student or an employee. Enter the registration number here. And the name and address will be automatically added here. Select the billing date here. Enter the item code here. For example, enter 03 here. Enter the quantity according to the needs. To add more items, click on the Add Item button and make similar entries as done above. Now enter taxes percentage if required here. Select this checkbox as the amount is paid. Now click on the Submit button and the invoice will be generated. Under the GRN section, you get a GRN list, which is a goods received note list. To add new GRN, click on Add GRN button. GRN number will be automatically added. Select the purchase order here. Enter the invoice number here. Select the GRN date here. Select the invoice date here. Enter the other charges amount here if required. Now click on the Submit button and the GRN list will be generated. Now come to the Inventory Reports section. Under the Item-wise Report section, select the store. Select the item category. Select the From Date and To Date. Then click on the Search button. And you will get an item-wise inventory report. Under the Invoice Report section, select the store. Select From Date and To Date and click on the Search button. You will get a list of invoice reports. For further details, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.